myself Javian Gorkuel from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic in the discipline of Radiology in the Department of Diagnostic and Community Health. Today we are going to discuss about the CT scan. So about the principle, in this session we will discuss about the principle, about the tomography and terminology and many other part or component of the CT scan. In this session, this session is very important for the student of course Hospital Administration and Radiodiagnosis in the PCRT 6M. So now we are going to start our session about the CT scan. So CT scan component and equipment. CT scan component and equipment. CT scanner are available as single slice scanner, helical scanner and multi-slice scanner. These three types of scanners are available in CT scan machine. In general, all the scanners possess these components like or parts like control console, computer, gantry and couch. In the CT scanner, the Z-axis is the gantry rotation axis, the axis at which a gantry is rotate about the patient. Second is the longitudinal and run along foot to head of the patient. The Y-axis is perpendicular to the patient in the direction ground to ceiling. So Y-axis is the perpendicular to the patient direction, means patient is supine on the table, the Y direction is the 90 degree from the patient position in the direction ground to ceiling. Okay, the X-axis run side to side of the patient, means if couch move in a side, left side or right side, then it is move along the X-axis. There are three consoles in CT. One for the technologist or radio CT or means or CT technologist to operate the imaging system, in which the technologist process the images and select the slice or select the dose of the contrast medium. Or okay, second one is the one for the technologist to post process the image. Post processing means after getting the image is processed to change the image in desirable images. One for the physician to view image. Okay, these are the three type of console present in CT. The operating console is provided. Operated console is provided with meters, control for the selection of technique factors, movement of gantry and patient couch. So these are the components that is present in the console. Computer command for image reconstruction and image transfer. Next one is the selection of KVP, MA and slice thickness. Okay, the next factor that affect the CT scanning, usually two monitors are provided, one to annotate patient data and identification of images. For an example, number, techniques, couch position. The other for the operator to view image. The physician control console is used to manipulate the image for read and make a report and optimize the diagnostic information, contrast and brightness. Adjustment magnification technique means magnify the images, and ROI region of interest viewing, use of online software and PACS system network to for teleradiology or transfer the image from one monitor to another monitor or another console. The computer is used to solve more than 2,50,000 equations with the help of microprocessor and has primary memory. The software include plot of the CT number, mean and standard deviation of CT values of region of interest, subtraction technique, planar and volumetric quantitative analysis, means 2D or 3D imaging, and reconstruction of image in coronal, sagittal or oblique plane, because the image is acquired in the transaxial plane, and after that it will reconstruct in the plane coronal, sagittal and oblique planes. CT gantry has a following: X-ray tube, second is collimator, collimation and filtration, third one is detector, fourth one is high voltage generator. These are the parts of the gantry in CT scanner. X-ray tube. The X-ray tube uses intense pulse of X-ray and its performance must be stable. X-ray intensity must not vary over image acquisition cycle, and X-ray spectrum should be narrow tubes. Tubes are operated for prolonged exposure that at high MA 200 mA. So the MA that is used to expose the patient parts is 200 mA, that is more than X-ray. The heat capacity of the tube is about 4 megajoule, and heat exchangers are provided to cool oil, air and maintain gantry at low temperature, because the gantry is constantly rotating in X-ray tube of CT. So there is a provision for heat dissipation in the X-ray tube. Usually scanners are operated at 120 kVp and fixed setting are available between 80 to 140 kV. The X-ray tube is mounted with its anode cathode axis parallel to the axis of rotation to reduce Hill effect. The focal spot size determines the amount of information distributed over the detector array. As focal spot increases, the information spread over large number of detectors and limit the resolution. There are two focal spots from 0.6 to 1.6 mm, and high resolution CT uses small focal spot sizes. The anode is flat for easy heat dissipation, and angle is smaller than normal. The cathode angle and focal spot position can be switched magnetically. So the anode is flat for easy heat dissipation, and the angle of the anode is smaller angle provide good heat dissipation or more X-ray production. The cathode is angled and focal spot position can be switched magnetically. The multi-size CT MSCT tube is large in size. Anode disc is large in diameter and thickness. The anode heat capacity is greater than 8 mH. So anode heat capacity is greater. So that's why the target doesn't melt after hit of more number of electrons with high kinetic energy, and the anode cooling is about 1 mHu mega heat unit. It can be Heat unit is the is a unit for heat capacity, and the heat unit is described for the energy that is absorbed by the target. It can be energized up to 60 seconds continuously. CT scanner uses one or two collimators which reduces patient dose and improve image contrast by limiting scatter radiation. So the collimator collimate the beam, and so the image that is acquired is improved image by limiting scatter radiation. Single slice scanner uses two collimator as pre and post patient. Means the pre collimator is situated before the patient, and post patient collimator is situated post patient and pre-detector collimation. Multi-slice scanner uses only single collimator as pre-patient collimator. Pre-patient collimator limits the area of the patient determined in the patient dose. Pre-detector collimator means post-patient collimator restrict the X-ray beam seen by the detector array. Second is the reduced scatter and improved contrast. Third one, the defines the slice thickness. The X-ray beam is not monoenergetic, and hence filter are used to filter the beam. To remove low energy photons, aluminum 2.5 mm and copper plus copper 0.4 mm are used as a filters, and modern CT units use 6 mm aluminum filter. The requirements of CT scanner detector are: first one is small with good resolution, width is less than 1.5 mm. Second one is high detection efficiency. Third is the fast response. Fourth is the wide dynamic range. Fifth one is the stable noise free response. Currently two types of detectors is in use: ionization chamber or solid state detector. Xenon gas filled detectors, single slice solid state detector, scintillation detector with photo multiplier PMT tube or photodiodes. Xenon gas detector, xenon gas filled ionization chamber detector has high with high atomic number 54 and its case cell binding energy is 35 kb. Means xenon gas ionization chamber detector has high atomic number and binding energy is more for the case cell. High atomic number facilitates photoelectric absorption as main interaction the detector, because the binding energy is in the order of the photoelectric absorption. The gas is kept under high pressure of about 2 megapascal and its detection efficiency is about 60%. These are the properties of the xenon gas detector. When the X-ray falls on the detector, ionization takes place and electric charge are produced. After falling the X-rays on the detector, the X-rays convert into the electric charges and that ionization is produced. These charges constitute an electric signal that is amplified and digitized. The digitized electric signal is proportional to the incident X-ray intensity or X-ray photon number in an area. Xenon detector is small in size and is elongated in the beam direction. The next one is solid state detector. Solid state detectors consist of a scintillation phosphor. Scintillation means scintillation is a process in which an X-ray photon is incident on the phosphor and light is emitted from the phosphor, that is called scintillation or luminous or any light. Coupled to a PMT or photodiode, photomultiplier. When X-ray falls on detectors, light is produced which is detected by the photodiode. Photodiode detect the light that is produced by the X-ray fall on the detector. Photodiode gives the electrical signal that is digitized. The digitized electronic signal is proportional to the incident X-ray. Okay, so in this session we had discussed about the CT scan, components and the detectors and the property of the detector and applications. So I think you all satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. Thank you. The session is over. This session is powered by Discovery 2.0 JWE chapter. Thank you.